In the culinary world, the choice of cooking oil is just a mere ingredient. However, for persons battling with neuropathy, this can be a secret weapon in the fight against pain and discomfort caused by nerve damage. That's why in this video, I will share with you the top 3 choices of cooking oil if you're battling with neuropathy. Stay with me until the end. You will know about the advantages and disadvantages of each of them. And you will know also of the most affordable option that you can have. At the same time, you will be able to check if what you currently have in your kitchen is actually worsening or helping with your symptoms. Hi, this is again Doc Sherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy, teaching you practical health tips and home exercise programs that you can surely benefit from. Neuropathy is a complex condition which can give you pain, discomfort, numbness, pins and needle sensation, and even sharp shooting type of pain in the hands and in the legs. And clinical studies have actually shown that the type of cooking oil that you use actually plays a pivotal role in nerve healing. Let me tell you why. Good quality and high quality cooking oils are actually high in anti-inflammatory benefits. Now, we all know that inflammation is a chronic driver of chronic neuropathy symptoms. High quality cooking oil are also packed with important and essential nutrients like vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, which can actually protect and help your nerves repair. And lastly, good quality oils, they are minimally processed, which will give you its natural goodness. On the other hand, poor quality cooking oils are actually highly processed and devoid of the essential nutrients which are supposedly there to help your nerves repair. Not only that, poor quality cooking oil can also be loaded with trans fats and other chemicals which can actually worsen your symptoms or even hinder your recovery. Here are the top 3 options that you can have for cooking oil if you're battling with neuropathy. Extra virgin olive oil. This Mediterranean staple is actually considered a liquid gold simply because of its high antioxidant level, specifically oleocanthal, which have potent anti-inflammatory benefits. Now, mind you, clinical studies have been consistent in proving that consumption of extra virgin olive oil can actually decrease neuropathic pain and discomfort. Plus, a study published in Diabetes Care actually proved that olive oil, which is a staple ingredient in the Mediterranean diet, can effectively prevent the onset of type 2 diabetes, which we all know is a contributing factor for neuropathy. In fact, 40% of people who had been diagnosed with diabetes are actually bothered by the stubborn pins and needle sensation in the hands and in the feet. Now, you might be wondering why. That is simply because elevated blood sugar level can actually affect the small and delicate blood vessels, which are supposedly there to deliver oxygen and nourishment to your nerves. Now, when this happens, this will result to nerve damage. It is also amazing to note that extra virgin olive oil has the potential to reduce type 2 diabetes even for patients who have the risk of having cardiovascular diseases. In buying good quality olive oil, check certificates. Look for the one that indicates extra virgin olive oil or cold press. This will ensure that you have the best quality on hand. Also, check the location where it is produced because the best quality olive oil are usually produced in reputable countries like Italy, Greece, Spain, and Australia, simply because they have stricter quality standards. Also, check the date. The fresher, the better, because fresher extra virgin olive oil actually have higher antioxidant properties in it. Also, choose the brand which are stored in dark bottles. These will actually prevent it from environmental degradation. Now, one disadvantage of extra virgin olive oil is its price. It's kind of pricey when you compare it to its other counterparts. However, the health benefits would really outweigh the cost. Another disadvantage is it is not suitable for high temperature cooking due to its low smoke point, which means that it can easily get burned. Now, once this happens, you can actually lose the health benefits of EVOO. So try to be careful and try to be cautious when cooking so as not to forfeit the benefits. Another good option for cooking oil for you if you're battling with neuropathy is avocado oil, which is considered a true nerve nourisher because the vitamin E content in avocado oil can actually protect your nerves from further damage. Avocado oils also contain good type of fat, which can decrease the inflammation and improve how your nerves function. One advantage of avocado oil is the fact that you can use it for high temperature cooking because it has relatively higher smoke point at 520 degrees Fahrenheit, which means that you will not easily lose its health benefits. Check for the labels and the certificates. Check for the one that indicates cold press. This will ensure that you get the maximum nutrients. Good quality avocado oil will give you a mild, nutty aroma and flavor. Before we continue about the most affordable option of cooking oil that you can have at home if you're battling with neuropathy, at this point I would like to ask a small favor from you to please click the like button below if you agree with me that you need to be educated on your health options to take an active role with your health. Thank you very much. That is deeply appreciated. Coconut oil. This is a more affordable option if you're battling with neuropathy. The MCT or medium chain triglycerides found in coconut oil, specifically lauric acid, had been found in clinical studies to decrease neuropathic pain and even improve quality of life for patients who are battling with neuropathy. MCT found in coconut oil can decrease inflammation and can help aid in nerve repair. One advantage of coconut oil is the fact that it is more affordable. One disadvantage though is the fact that you need to have it in moderation because it is calorie dense. And this is very important for people who wants to manage their weight. These are the 3 best possible cooking oil options for you if you're battling with neuropathy. This will work on the cellular level to promote nerve repair and to help you recover. Knowing these facts, you will now be more confident in cooking and in knowing that what you have in the kitchen is actually helping you and not actually worsening your symptoms. If you have reached the end of this video, please comment healthy cooking in the comment section below. If you want to know about the 3 seeds that can help you with nerve repair, I have a video here. Check on it. It will greatly help you. Thank you very much for watching. This is again Doc Sherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. God bless you.